Every farmer dreams of strong, healthy animals, and a farm that truly thrives. But sometimes, the secret to success lies in what we feed our animals. Take Mwangi, for example. His cows were once weak, giving very little milk. But everything changed when he discovered MolaPlus high-yield dairy meal. With balanced nutrition and energy-packed feed, his cows now produce more milk than ever before. And it's not just the cows. Mwangi also uses MolaPlus Pig Microbes, keeping his pigs healthy, fast-growing, and resistant to common infections. Healthy animals mean lower costs and better profits.
Mwangi, what's your secret? Your animals look so healthy these days.
It's no secret, my friend. Just switch to MolaPlus products. They are reliable, tested, and trusted by farmers all over Kenya.
MolaPlus Investments Limited. Redefining Africa's animal and crop nutrition. Call us today on +254 722 656 142 or +254 724 968 847 and let's grow together.